Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Quick one this one. This is a LED faucet. I paid less than $2 for it. It arrived in pretty quickly actually, it was only a couple of weeks I think. As you can see, the LED light is encased in here. By the way, this didn't come bubble wrapped. There was nothing in the envelope except for this, so it wasn't very well packaged and it could have easily been damaged, since this is plastic and so is this part here. The thread is made of metal. It says stainless steel on the listing, but it's not. It feels nothing like stainless steel. This is a rubber seal. I'll show you what you do with that in a moment. So yeah, this thread is, just quickly, is 24 mil. So make sure that the faucet you already have on your tap has that size thread, and to get your faucet off you'll probably need an adjustable spanner or a spanner that's the right size to fit it. So yeah, we're just going to take a look at how it works. Okay, so I hope you can see this alright. So what we're going to have to do is we have to remove our old faucet. You can see here. Now, not all taps have these removable parts, so just make sure your tap does have a removable faucet. And you'll need an adjustable spanner or an exact size spanner for that. Now, if you're using an adjustable, just make sure that you are properly lined up and clamped onto it, and then it's just a simple turn. And this is quite new, this tap, so it's quite easy to get off. It's possible that an older tap, you know, would be difficult. It would be stiffer. Now if you put your finger in, there'll be a rubber seal that you'll need to pull out. There it is. Just put it there. Now all we do is take our LED faucet. You'll see there's a little ridge around it. If you just sit it inside there, we push that into the tap like that, and literally just screw it and hand tighten. As you can see, it's now on there, and then we turn the tap on. Now, a problem for me with this is that because this faucet is on an angle, the water is splashing out of the sink. I don't have that problem with this because the pressure is not as high through this faucet for some reason. So yeah, I do have that problem. So we're just a bit lower. You can see that it does work, and it works pretty well. Now we just turn the lights off. See that a bit better. Just close the door. Got a bit of water on the lens there. Put that off. So as you can see, it flashes randomly, random colours. If you're epileptic, I'd probably look away now. Possibly should have warned you before I turn the light out. But anyway, as you can see, it does work. It was only $2, well less than $2, and it arrived in less than 2 weeks I think, which is pretty good. So yeah, that's all there is to it really. Thanks for watching. Bye.